Meaning of godsend.
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 Godsend. Godsend is a noun used to refer to something or someone that is considered a blessing, especially when it comes unexpectedly. It can be used to describe an unexpected opportunity, a stroke of luck, or a fortuitous turn of events. The term has its origins in the religious belief that divine intervention can bring about unexpected good fortune. When we use the term godsend, we generally mean that something or someone has arrived at the perfect time, and has helped us in a way that we could not have managed otherwise.